Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
The European starling is known for its impressive vocal abilities. These versatile songbirds have the ability to learn a wide range of warbles, whistles, calls, and songs throughout their lives, making them one of the most advanced avian vocal learners. A recent study published in Science has discovered that starlings also excel in problem-solving tasks.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
Individuals who suffer from migraines often struggle to find a treatment that is both reliable and effective, with limited information available regarding how different medications compare to one another. However, a recent study has utilized data from almost 300,000 smartphone app users to aid in medication decisions for those with migraines.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
Amid the global water crisis, the process of cryptocurrency mining has been found to consume a substantial amount of water, with predictions of an even greater demand in the future. A recent study has provided the first extensive calculation of the amount of water used by Bitcoin. The researcher has expressed concern over the potential impact on drinking water if this practice continues without proper regulation.
There are various approaches for plagiarism across different university departments.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
There are various approaches for plagiarism across different university departments. If you want to sell your book, it must have a bibliography.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
If you want to sell your book, it must have a bibliography. The competency of language in the assignment is to use more formal words.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
The competency of language in the assignment is to use more formal words.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
The following map gives information about the distribution of harlequin ladybird in England. The red dots indicate positions of the birds in 2004, and the black dots indicate those in 2005. We can see in 2004 the birds mainly lived in the east part of England, near North Sea. We can also see the number of the birds decreased in 2005. And only a very small part of the birds lived inland. In conclusion, the map tells about distribution of ladybird in England.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
The following line chart gives information about ownerships of cell phone and smartphone in the US. From the line chart, we can see in 2005, about 62% of adults owned a cell phone. In 2010, about 35% of adults owned a smartphone, and 80% owned a cell phone. In 2020, about 80% owned a smartphone and 96% owned a cell phone. In conclusion, the gap between the ownerships of smartphone and cell phone is decreasing.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
The following picture gives information about the number of US households keeping pets. According to the graph, I notice cats are 42.7 million. The value of dogs is higher, about 63 million. From the bar chart, we can see the highest one is for total, 84.9 million. The lowest number is for horses and saltwater fish, which is 1.6 million. In the bar chart, there are also other items, including freshwater fish and birds. In conclusion, this bar chart tells about US households keeping pets.
Today, I am excited to speak about Alan Turing, a figure whose groundbreaking work laid the foundations for modern computing and artificial intelligence. Turing's life story is not only about scientific discovery but also about facing adversity with resilience and courage. Alan Turing, often referred to as the father of modern computing, made significant contributions during World War II by developing techniques to break the German Enigma code. His work at Bletchley Park was crucial in deciphering coded messages, giving the Allies a decisive advantage. Post-war, Turing focused on developing one of the first designs for a stored program computer and conceptualized the Turing machine, a model that became fundamental in understanding the limits of algorithmic computation. His 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, questioned whether machines could think, pioneering the field of artificial intelligence. Despite his monumental contributions, Turing faced persecution due to his homosexuality, a tragic reflection of the times. Yet, his legacy transcends these challenges. Turing's life symbolizes the profound impact one individual can have on the world, breaking barriers in both technology and social norms. In conclusion, Alan Turing's life story inspires us to pursue knowledge and innovation, regardless of obstacles. His contributions continue to influence our lives and remind us of the enduring power of human intellect and creativity.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
the lecture discusses modern computing. In the beginning, the speaker explained the contributions of Alan Turing, who is regarded as the father of modern computing. Later, the speaker talked about the stored program computer and mentioned the concept of machines being able to think. In conclusion, the lecture effectively summarized Turing's impact and stated that his life continues to inspire us.
Space exploration is a testament to human curiosity and technological advancement. From peering into the stars with early telescopes to landing rovers on Mars, this journey illustrates our relentless pursuit to understand the cosmos. The story of space exploration began with early astronomers like Galileo, who used telescopes to observe celestial bodies. This marked the beginning of a new era in understanding our universe. Fast forward to the 20th century, when the launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, ignited the space race, leading to remarkable milestones including the historic Apollo moon landing in 1969. In recent years, space exploration has entered a new frontier with missions to Mars. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have been exploring the Martian surface, searching for signs of past life and paving the way for future human missions. These rovers represent incredible feats of engineering and symbolize our ongoing quest to explore the unknown. Space exploration is more than just scientific endeavor. It inspires us to look beyond our planet and consider our place in the universe. Each discovery brings new knowledge and raises important questions about our future in space. In conclusion, the journey of space exploration is a continuous voyage of discovery, innovation, and inspiration, demonstrating the boundless potential of human ingenuity.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
The lecture discusses space exploration. In the beginning, the speaker explained the importance of understanding our universe. Later, the speaker mentioned the historic Apollo mission in 1969. Additionally, the speaker talked about searching for signs of past life. In conclusion, the lecturer effectively summarized that space exploration is more than just a scientific endeavor.
Today, I'm excited to discuss the transformative power of the Internet, a technological marvel that has reshaped every aspect of our lives. The Internet is not just a network of computers, it's a platform for global connection, innovation, and expression. The Internet's inception has marked a turning point in human history. It has revolutionized communication, making it instant and borderless. We can now connect with someone across the world in seconds, something unimaginable just a few decades ago. Moreover, the Internet has been a powerful tool for education and knowledge dissemination. It offers an unprecedented access to information, breaking down barriers to education and learning opportunities. Online resources, courses, and platforms have democratized education, making it accessible to a broader audience. The Internet has also fueled innovation and entrepreneurship. It has given birth to new industries, transformed traditional businesses, and provided a platform for startups and individual creators to showcase their ideas and products to a global audience. However, the Internet's impact is not without challenges, including issues related to privacy, misinformation, and digital divide. It's essential to navigate these challenges thoughtfully as we continue to harness the Internet's potential. In conclusion, the Internet is a cornerstone of modern society, a tool that continues to evolve and shape our world in profound ways. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of connection and progress.
Prepare your response after the beep. Start speaking after the beep.
The Internet was the main topic of the lecture. Firstly, the speaker talked about global connections. He further discussed revolutionary communication and explained the power of modern tools. Additionally, he provided some details about online resources. Moreover, he presented information about the impact of the Internet on traditional business. Towards the end, the speaker addressed the issue of the digital divide. In conclusion, the speaker emphasized the Internet's role in modern society.